tell you this again. No more sleeping in class.
Okay, Professor.
Fine.
If I catch anyone sleeping again, I'm reporting you to the dean.
Man, I don't want to go to the dean's office. I know. Good thing I bought this. Just add black tea to some hot water. The caffeine in my black tea will keep me awake for sure. Much better. Max! Max! You're gonna get in trouble. Do you want me to make some tea for you?
I don't need any tea. Watch this. I just need a cardboard cutout of myself. I'll just put it right behind the textbook.
Are you sure, Max?
Oh, she'll never know the difference.
Mia, are you almost done with that problem?
Yeah,
How about you, Max? Max, you look so weird. What are you working on? Max!
Huh? Oh, why are you yelling?
That's it! This is the last time you sleep in my class. Go to the dean's office.
Oh, what?
I already warned you. Go!
Man.
I told him we should have had the tea. Oh, well.
Professor will never catch me eating.
Sort this equation. Huh? What's that sound? You better not be eating in my class. Whoever's eating is getting written up. Where's my slips?
There's no way I'm getting written up. I know what to do. I'll just put all my candy in Mia's backpack.
Here it is. Max, what are you doing?
Nothing, Professor. I was just grabbing my pen.
Oh, really? Let me see your backpack.
Okay, I don't have anything though. See, I told you it's only stuff for class.
Wow, Max, you're following the rules. Good job. Let's see your backpack, Mia.
Okay, Professor. Just school supplies. See for yourself.
Mia, I can't believe you're breaking the rules. Go to the dean's office.
But Professor, this isn't mine. Please don't write me up.
Not such a perfect student now, huh, Mia?
Max! You thought you could sneak past me? That's it. You're going to the dean's office too.
Oh, come on.
I don't want to hear it. Both of you, go now. Max, where's your notebook? I'm trying to start lecture.
I don't need a notebook because I memorized everything.
Max, you have to take notes. Everybody, I'll be collecting notebooks at the end of class.
What?
If you don't turn them in, you get a 0.
Fine. Oh man, where is it? Oh man, I don't have anything to write with. Ooh. Psst, Mia, can I get a pencil? I don't have anything to take notes with.
Seriously?
Come on, just for today, please.
Fine, but bring your own supplies next time.
Yeah, thanks.
All right, everyone, hand in your notebooks.
Okay.
Here's your pencil back, Mia.
No, you can keep it. I have some more. It's fine.
Oh, thanks, Mia.
Yeah, no problem. What are you doing, Max? Stop copying me.
Please, Mia, let me copy just for today.
You've said that every day this month. No copying.
I need to pass the homework somehow. Oh, I know. Oh, I dropped my book. Can you grab it, Mia?
Seriously, Max? It's right there.
Oh, I hurt my shoulder. Can you just grab it?
Oh, fine. Here you go. Huh? Max, I told you no copying.
Oh, but...
All right, students, time to turn in your homework.
Oh, I need to think of something. Ah! I'll just smear some slime on my paper.
Ooh, looks good, Mia. Max, where's your work?
It's right. Achoo! Here, Professor.
Ew, Max, that's so gross. I can't take this.
Yes.
Here you go.
Huh?
Since I can't grade the other one, you're gonna have to redo the assignment.
Oh, but I already did it.
Hurry up and finish it by the end of class.
Oh, man. I almost got away with it. Oh.
I'm ready for chemistry class, Professor.
Actually, we're just working with these molecular models today.
Oh, man.
All right, guys, let's get started.
Oh, man, this class is so boring. Oh. This should help class go by faster.
Starting with molecular models. Huh? What's that noise? Max, you're playing poppets in class?
Oh, what? No. Actually, this isn't a poppet. It's a organizer for the models. See, Professor, it makes it so much easier.
Okay, let's get back to the lesson.
Yeah, worked.
So if you look here at x plus 1 equals 3.
Oh man, my pencil's broken. All right, where's my pencil sharpener? Back to my notes. Huh?
Take this
When did she write all that?
components.
Max, can I see your notes? I missed some of the lecture.
What? Seriously? I'm not taking notes. I'm trying to sleep.
But
Stop bothering me.
I need to write this down as fast as I can. Max!
Why are you yelling at me? I just got here.
I have a better question for you. How do you explain all the gum under your desk?
I don't even chew gum, see?
You're staying after class and cleaning the desks.
What about Mia?
Huh? Don't be ridiculous, Max. My desk is clean.
Mia, you have gum under your desk too? You're both staying after class.
Ew, this is so unfair. This isn't even mine.
This is so boring. Oh yeah. I'll just use my VR while I'm cleaning. Zombies!
Huh? What's going on?
Get away from me!
Max!
What is going on here?
Max is acting so crazy.
Oh yes, new high score! Oh hey, Professor.
Give me the VR, Max.
Okay.
Mia, you can go home. Max will stay here and clean up this whole mess.
Thanks, Professor.
Seriously?
I don't want to hear it. Clean it up right now.
No more excuses! It's over for you, Max!
Oh come on, Coach, it's my best season!
That's enough! If you can't pass all of your exams, you can't play on my team.
No!
Max!
No! Huh? Oh, it's just a dream!
Pay attention. I'm handing back exams.
Okay.
Let's see. Congratulations, Mia. You did really good.
A B+? My perfect record is ruined. I'll never get into college now.
Oh man, if Mia got a B, I probably failed!
Okay,
Oh,
Max.
Professor, can you let me retake it, please? I don't want to fail!
I can't believe your score. You got a C. Good job.
Huh? A C? Oh yes, I can keep playing sports! Oh, thanks for helping me study, Mia. I passed!
Yeah, you're welcome.
Yeah, ooh.
Hi, everyone.
Did you like our video? Leave a comment down below.
Don't forget to subscribe.
And hit that bell button.
Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.